Yeah, everything is going fine, just fine. As
All
we are
right.
home.
Okay. So what do you do basically?
Yeah, basically, I'm work in Ericsson. I think you heard of that name,
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Ericsson. Yeah, normally I do is we are responsible for telecommunication. Ericsson
All
is a
right.
normal deal in B2B, mostly
Okay.
dealt with B2B in telecom.
All right. So how's your work going?
Work is good, going smooth.
Okay, that's great.
Uh,
So shall we proceed?
yeah, sure.
All right. Do you like to watch movies or TV shows that make people laugh?
Watch movie recently. I think I'm not that much. I'm not addicted to movie. Sometimes if I have time, then I would like to watch some movies.
Okay.
Like yeah, nowadays as movie are not releasing as cinemas halls are closed. So I do watch some series like Sherlock Holmes on Netflix and
That's
also
good.
Lost in Space.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you usually make your friends laugh?
Friends, yeah, normally if we are, well, it depend on the situation
All
where we
right.
are. Yeah, if we are suppose in some type of in office, then normally we tend to means work. We'll focus on work, and sometimes if we are outside, then we go for party. Then we make some fun.
That's great. Are you the kind of person who makes people laugh?
Who?
I pardon? Are you the kind of person who makes people laugh?
Not that much, but sometimes I crack joke on people, and that usually
Okay.
work. Yeah,
Okay, you crack jokes on people and it works.
yeah,
That's great. So your friends start laughing at that moment?
yeah.
All right. Do you think it is important to laugh with friends?
Yeah, of course. Means it makes a connection between you and your friend. Also, it's a good thing. You know, if you laugh, then your stress, you free from stress and the other thing. If you have, yeah, it's normally it's beneficial. Even scientists say that laughing is good exercise.
Haha, exactly right.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. How will you define your sense of humor?
Sense of humor, it's so not that much. If I'm not Einstein type or something that I have to discover
In,
something.
in your
Yeah.
in your perspective, I'm not comparing you with anyone. In your perspective, what do you think that what's sense of humor according to you?
I think I have a sense of humor.
Okay,
Yeah,
elaborate
I'm
your answer.
just not understood. Understood means I'm not understanding myself.
Oh, you are not understanding yourself. So you should then, right?
Sometimes
Oh,
it's where even first time you ask me this question, this type of question, and but so it difficult to answer this.
all right.
Yeah,
No
normally
worries.
I deal with people, and normally it's good. Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes I'm care about if a person are close, and sometimes even some unknown person get helps. Then I think if he needs some help, then definitely I will do.
Okay. Who is your favorite comedian?
Comedian, Mashur Gulati.
Okay. Why?
Yeah. Yes, sorry, he has talent. Maybe normally he performs in ladies get up, but his acting and he has good skills as compared to Kapil.
Okay,
But
you
fortunately,
are comparing
yeah,
him with Kapil Sharma because
yeah.
most
I
of the people
normally
like
I
Kapil
do
Sharma.
watch. Yeah, I do watch Kapil show just because of him.
All
But
right.
when he left his show, then rarely watch his show.
Okay. Why do you
Yeah,
like this comedian?
why I
Any
like this?
particular yeah, any particular activity or any particular reason behind liking that particular comedian?
Basically, his acting and the his sense of humor and the dialogue delivery and his acting means he makes people laugh.
Okay.
Yeah, and he has a very unique way to his acting. So I think I'm a big fan of his.
That's great. All right. So now I'm sharing you a cue card and you will be having a minute to think about it. And after that, we will
Okay.
go ahead and proceed. Okay.
So you shared or you are sharing?
Yeah, I'm sharing it. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I've shared it.
Okay, where you were with what you did and explain. I think. Okay, I think it's available on chat. Hmm.
Yes. Send
Okay.
it on chat.
So I have 1 minute. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah, having a minute to think on
Okay. And I have utilized my full
it.
English in this.
Yes, exactly. You have to show your com skills here.
Okay. Where is my notepad? Yeah, tell me when I can start.
Yeah, yeah, having a minute. I'll let you know when that minute gets
Okay.
over.
Okay.
Time's up. Now you can proceed.
Okay. So so the happiest day was back in it's I remember it's when I received my first of job letter as I finished my BTech in 2013 and it's quite I think 2 or 3 months gap so that I was continue searching for job and it was 8th April 2014 when I was in the city with my family and we are go for shopping and then I got notification on my phone and I read mail that I am selected for the for company and it was very quite and I feel very confident about that finally I got job and for that day after receiving that I was happy and my family was also I was with my mother so we planned to do dinner at that night in the evening and we planned for dinner so I called back my other family members so we can gather at the hotel and we have lunch sorry dinner at that time so we did dinner and we roam around and the family congratulate me for my success, and finally that I will become finally independent, and I was dreaming of that. Somehow finally I got my job. So I think this is the happiest day, was happiest day of my life till now. That because on that day I finally become independent, and I have no rely on financially on my families, and I even also can help them.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So people in your country spend a lot of money on birthday presents.
My family? No, not that much.
No, I pardon my question. Do people in your country spend a lot of money on birthday presents?
Yeah, people do spend money on birthday. Nowadays, it's quite common that every on birthday, normally people present some gift or some kind of other thing that on their birthday, and it's quite cultural, you can say. While I was a child, then no one gives me birthday. Even I haven't celebrated my birthday,
Okay,
so that's why. Yeah.
alright. What do Indian people do on New Year?
On New Year, yeah, Indian people normally people celebrate, and you can say only the metro cities and the cities mostly do celebrate. While as India is a big country and the mostly population lives in the village, so normally they what they do their own work, and they have nothing. It's like another day, another same day as previous day for them. So and if they want to if they celebrate, then say they make some special food, like special food in the evening. So normally people would yeah.
Okay. Do you think we are happier than people in the 19th century?
We are.
Do you think we are happier than people in the 19th century?
Do you think? Yeah, of course we are happy in some context. Like we have developed so many technology, and we can access each and everything on our phone, and it makes people's life very easier. So in some context we are happier. But if you think about the physical work and the if you look about the children nowadays, that mostly children are stick around to television and the mobile phones while they don't play. They are not into the grounds, and they don't like to play. And also if you look at the children, then later children at little age, they got specs, which is was not common in the 90s.
Okay. Nice. Why childhood is the best time for most people?
Sorry.
I pardon. Why childhood is the best time for most of the people?
Childhood, yeah, this is the, I agree with that. Is the most and the most precious time of your lifetime, I think. And everyone wish that he can live his childhood, yeah, if he has, if somehow he can do that. Normally, it's because child don't have to care about his expenses and the other things, and he doesn't care about the anything. He just live in his own world, and he do what he wants to do, as he has no restriction. So that's why children enjoy a lot at that time, and they are full of creative. They also learn new things. They do some experiment, and they do how to do this work and that work. They also learn some new things. It will make them a good person in life.
All right. Do you think money can bring happiness in life?
Money, yeah. If you think that mostly people say that money can't buy anything, but nowadays money can buy everything if you want. Yeah,
Okay, you
suppose.
think that money can buy everything.
Yeah, people say if you ask someone, then normally he would that no money can't buy anything. But if you look and you do an analysis on that I think money can buy anything you want.
Alright.
It's pleasure and the other thing, yeah, we want to. And
Alright.
even the
Can you
people,
elaborate it how? Can you elaborate it?
elaborate.
Yeah.
Yeah, if suppose I live in village and mostly, let's say, a man works 4 to 5. Normally, I saw in my company that the security guards, which they work in my company, they do normally at 12 hours job. And if you ask something, then why they can do why they can reduce to this 8 to 8 hour. Normally, we people do 8 hour job. Then why they can't? Then they say that it's their recommendation and it's their what do we say in Majburi. They are forced to
Comparative.
do that.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, they are
comparative.
forced to do. Yeah. So, and if they have enough money, then why they will do this job, and why they stand in the summer, at summer in the sunny day at
Mm.
45 temperature. So, and if they have money and they can afford their food and the living expensive, then who will stand in the sunny days?
Alright, last but not least, what do you think is important in bringing happiness?
Which happiness bringing?
In bringing any kind of happiness, how can happiness come in your life? Means what two factors matter for happiness in your life?
Happiness in life. Yeah, it's normally, if you take my case, then I think I have to do nothing, and there is some amount means which credit to my account, and I can do expenses. Then this is the joyful of my life, and it depend
Okay.
on the people what they think and what matter to them. So it's
All,
totally depend on the people.
okay. All right.
Mm.
So that's all for today. It was nice talking to you, and you will get your feedback from sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. My pleasure. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Take care. You too.